To essay means to attempt. An essay may be written on anything and everything. How to write an essay? First, think before writing an essay. 2. Write in short paragraphs. 3. If the outline is given, think over each point and develop it into short paragraph. 4. Don't harp on the same fact. 5. Write in a simple, clear style. 6. Mind grammar, spelling and punctuation. 7. Be simple but interesting, clear but catchy. ऐसे लिखने के ये मेन टॉपिक हैं. हमेशा ऐसे लिखने के पहले हमें सोचना चाहिए. ऐसे को शॉर्ट पैराग्राफ में लिखना चाहिए. यदि आउटलाइन दिया हुआ है तो हमें उससे अलग नहीं जाना है. आउटलाइन को देखते हुए हमें शॉर्ट पैराग्राफ डेवलप करना है. सेम फैक्ट को बार बार नहीं लिखना है. सिंपल और क्लियर स्टाइल होनी चाहिए. ग्रामर का सही यूज़ होना चाहिए. स्पेलिंग करेक्ट होनी चाहिए. पंक्चुएशन राइट प्लेस पे होना चाहिए. ऐसे सिंपल और इंटरेस्टिंग होना चाहिए. द रेनी सीजन आउटलाइन. व्हाट विल यू राइट? इंट्रोडक्शन, नेचर ऑफ द सीजन, एडवांटेज, डिसएडवांटेज एंड conclusion. First paragraph. In India, there are 6 seasons. The rainy season is one of them. It comes after summer. It lasts from June to September. Next paragraph. In the rainy season, the sky remains cloudy. The sun is not always visible. Sometimes it rains for days together. Rivers and canals become full. Men cannot go out without umbrellas or raincoats. Next paragraph. The rainy season is very useful to us. The rain washes away the germs of diseases. It brings good crops to farmers. In this season, rice, jute and some pulses grow in plenty. In the rainy season, roads become muddy. Very often, people in the villages cannot go out. Poor people suffer as their huts become damp and wet. The price of things goes up. Sometimes flood takes place. The crop is damaged or ruined. Then comes famine. So too much rain is bad. The rainy season makes the earth cool. It brings good crops. So in spite of its disadvantages, we welcome the rainy season.